Keep a sharp eye out, lads. Someone's targeting our network. The distillery might be next.
This will complicate things. You're with me.
Is he alright? I can see him.
Ain't looking forward to a bit of sport.
Where you going?
You're gonna regret you
He's
ever
got
set
us
foot in
dead.
the borough.
Shoot it now!
You're nothing.
Come on, hit me!
Keep him busy. I'll break you in half. You'll pay for that. All of you.
You should not go about frightening respectable gentlemen, young man.
I didn't realize snooping around was considered gentlemanly.
Snooping? Sir, I assure you.
Keep vigilant.
Quick, inside. That was too close a call. You, young man, gave me quite a fright. I thought you were one of them. But I realize now why you're here. Same reason I am, I imagine.
I imagine?
You should see this. Rather impressive contraption, wouldn't you say?
I've seen bigger.
Stramonium, or devil's snare as it is commonly called. That goes into the syrup. And opium, no less. Revolting. Absolutely sickening. favorable way to proceed, wouldn't you agree? Oh dear. Find a way out of here, quickly.
What about the other valves?
Take a wild guess.
Very well, young man.
What do they sell this panacea for anyway?
No idea.
There! To see him!
The forest needs chopping.
What's he doing there?
Progress. We need ours.
Get him down!
Stop that man!
We've got a snake in the grass! Take cover! Someone get him!
Stop that trespass! Stop it! To see him! Push him square in his back! I can hit him from here! Idiot on your rabbit!
Thank you for that!
Can't face me!
Bunch of Marys! Get in there!
You're done for! This is where your fun and games come to an end! Yes!
Well done, dear boy. Well done. Charles Darwin, delighted to make your acquaintance.
Jacob Fry. The pleasure's all mine.
While you were busy wreaking havoc, I found this. It indicates that a sample of every batch has been sent to Lambeth Asylum.
Oh, I wonder if it's visiting hours.
Don't be so hasty, Mr. Fry. Many people work at Lambeth. You wouldn't want to attract unwanted attention.
And what's the fun in that?
Not every problem can be solved by blowing things sky high. Sometimes a little discretion is in order. It's getting late. I will meet you at the asylum to continue our investigation.
Fetching outfit, I must say.
Got something to tell you.
Ah, another exciting night home for Evie Fry.
Just on my way out, actually. I found the Piece of Eden.
What's this one going to do, Heal the sick, deflect bullets, control the populace?
They're dangerous objects, Jacob, especially in Templar hands.
Oh, you sound exactly like Father.
If only. Lucy Thorne is expecting a shipment tonight. She's Starrick's expert in the occult. I'm nearly certain she is receiving the Piece of Eden Sir David Brewster mentioned.
Sounds like fun. Mind if I join you?
Promise you will stick to the mission.
I swear.
The contents of that box are worth more than your life and those of your entire family. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss Thorne.
Careful there! And double the guard on that cart!
Now, Miss Thorne, there's the matter of some papers for Mr. Starrick. If you'll just come this way.
Very well, but make it quick.
Whatever it is she's after, it's in that chest.
There are gunmen on the rooftops.
Can you dispose of them before I reach the cart?
I was hoping for a challenge.
What's happening over there?
You!
actually.
There he is!
I think it's best we leave.
What did you do?
It's hardly the time for questions!
Whoa! Come on!
That's more trouble coming.
Jacob, careful!
What?
It's papers, Jacob! Documents research!
Carriage over! Come over here again, Esther!
Jacob, stop it!
What's happening over there?
Pull that carriage over! If you really... Did you hear me? I said stop!
More ammunition!
Come over here!
Jacob!
Where's your piece of Eden?
Get us out of this, or I might find out!
Come over
I
here.
need cartridges! Jacob!
Easy! Easy! Come right off the cart then! My sister has got bullets too!
What? We need to get this crate back to a safe place!
What do you think I'm trying to do?
At a guess, I'd say kill us both!
My sister will give you a walloping!
Really good! If only we had the drop!
Going to have to jump!
What about the chest?
Stop running, Daniel! Leave it! Jump! Down! Then where's your piece of Eden?
Get us out of this and I might find out!
You can't hit my sister!
Stop it!
Slowly, That's it! Keep running! My sister will give you a walloping!
Would you drive a little more carefully? You're endangering the documents!
Oh! More documents! I'd actually rather I just stop right here!
I need more ammunition!
Here!
I'm out of bullets!
Take my cartridge! If you really want to fight, come over here!
Jacob!
Come over here and get
Jacob, stop it!
Wait till you can't hit my sister!
Stop it! We need to get this crate back to a safe place!
What do you think I'm trying?
At a guess, I'd say kill us both!
Wait till you can't hit my sister!
Stop it!
Come try
I
not
don't
to drop
have
the
enough
cart
bullets.
then! My sister can dodge bullets too! I've
What?
got more!
I need more
Keep
ammunition!
shooting!
Steady on.
What are you waiting for? Take her out!
Jacob, careful!
What is it?
It's papers, Jacob! Documents research!
If you really want to fight, come over here! Come over here!
Jacob, stop it! I need more ammunition!
Here! Don't try and knock us off
We
the
need to
top.
get this crate back to a safe place! What?
Stop trying!
As a guess, I'd say no! Stop it!
Then where's your piece of Eden?
Get us out of this and I might find out!
Doing fine, Bill.
What are we supposed to do with papers?
Read them! If only we had the time!
Who's a good horse? You are.
Easy does it.
That's the way.
Would you drive a little more carefully?
We're going to have to jump!
What about the chest?
Leave it! Jump! Stop!
Well, that was fun. Thanks for the invitation. Let's do it again.
Damn it.
We fixed up the train for you. Lacquer paint, new rugs from Camden Loch, and my wee sister, the seamstress, did a discount on the curtains.
I'll just stay here, all cosy with the assassins.
What an enjoyable day. What with Miss Thorne and the papers and all. Simply delightful.
You may have not found a piece of Eden, but this material is invaluable. Look. It says the London assassins had found a shroud.
The Shroud of Eden is supposed to heal even the gravest injury. If the assassins had found something like this, surely Father would have known.
There must be something we're missing.
Something only we can see. These look like directions. Are you coming?
Fieldwork is not really my speciality.
We found a clue to a precursor object. Don't you want to follow it?
Put that way, one can hardly refuse.
Come on!
Do you know, I think this map may be taking us to the Kenway Mansion.
Kenway? The pirate?
Master Assassin and Pirate, yes.
Atta girl. How much do you know about the Shroud of Evil?
It's said to heal the sick. Popular myth is that it brings people back from the dead, but the assassin records say that's not true. I've never heard of one being in London. Do you really think Edward Kenway could have found it?
He travelled extensively, so it's possible. But if he did, he kept it a closely guarded secret.
But if it's true, what a find it would be.
Indeed. I'm eager to find out myself. It's surprising that you haven't already searched the Kenway house.
Edward's son, Haven, joined the Templars. When he died, the house passed on to Haven's sister.
And in all your time in London, you didn't go and have a look around? Weren't even a little curious?
Truly, I didn't expect to find anything there. We've no way of knowing how many times the buildings changed hands. I presume Haven would have had it stripped bare before he left.
Take. What's happening?
I think this is it.
I think you're right. Look.
I'll be in the study. I don't want to be interrupted unless you have news of the lost notebook.
That makes getting in a challenge.
You still intend to enter?
If this is a Templar stronghold, it won't get any easier. Don't worry. We'll stay well away from Miss Lucy. Shall we? Can you check over there?
Of course.
I don't even know what I'm looking for.
This is a waste of my time.
Still nothing here. Same as last time.
She's not allowed in here! Someone get her from behind! I'll shoot her down, no! She's in my sights! Shitting bricks! She's not even now! You've got to overkill any one of us! It can take on. There she is! Found her! She won't get away! There she is! Ready to fire now!